If you're watching this video, then chances are you lost power in your RV and you can't figure out how to get it back. So I'm gonna give you some tips and tricks that'll hopefully get you back on track. We've been living and traveling in our RV for almost 2 years and we've lost power several times. Most of it is due to our fault because we just have too many amps being pulled by too many things on. If you have a 50 amp RV like we do, then you have 2 different circuits running through your RV. Ours, one of them will have the microwave, the air conditioners on one circuit, and the other circuit will have all the outlets in the RV. We're gonna talk about the outlet circuit. If you do lose power on your outlets, the first thing you wanna check is any outlet that has a ground fault indicator. It's a pretty simple solution. All you do is just press the little circuit breaker back in and you should get power. If that doesn't work for you, then there's a circuit breaker in the actual circuit breaker box that you need to check. In our RV, which is a 2021 Grand Design Momentum 397 toy hauler, the circuit breaker is marked optional inverter. If that one trips, then every single outlet in your RV is gonna lose power. So you've checked that circuit breaker and it's fine. But there's one more hidden breaker. What we discovered for our RV is if some of the outlets go out, not every single outlet, but mostly in the kitchen, then there's another breaker you need to check. And for our RV, it's on the bottom step going up to our bedroom. You gotta take the top off. And there it is. So this one actually has 3 different breakers. One of them is for the refrigerator, and then you got your GFI, your ground fault indicator outlet breaker. For our Momentum, it was the circuit breaker that was marked general, and once that popped, we lost power to some of the outlets. So check that. Not every RV is the same, obviously, so you want to check with your manufacturer to see if you have any hidden circuit breakers around, and if you do, it might just solve your problem.